Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we give you honest reviews about the latest gadgets shaping the world of tech. Today we're diving into a product that filmmakers, vloggers, and content creators have been waiting for. The DJI RS4 Mini. It's compact, lightweight, but still powerful enough to bring professional stabilization into a portable form. If you've ever struggled with shaky footage, this gimbal could be the upgrade you've been searching for. The RS4 Mini builds on the success of DJI's gimbal lineup but focuses on being more portable. It's designed for creators who want top-level stabilization without the bulk of a full-sized gimbal. At just over 800 grams, it's light enough to carry all day, yet it can handle cameras and lenses that are heavier than you'd expect for something this size. That combination of portability and strength makes it appealing for travelers, event shooters, and solo filmmakers. The design is clean and professional. DJI has kept the signature matte black finish with subtle markings. The grip feels comfortable, and the balance system is straightforward. You can adjust axes quickly and lock them in place when you're not using the gimbal. This makes setup and storage much easier compared to older models. The build quality inspires confidence, with solid construction that feels ready for real work. Performance is where the RS4 Mini shines. Despite being small, it carries a payload of up to 2 kilograms. This means it supports most mirrorless cameras and even some DSLR setups with compact lenses. The motors are strong and responsive, keeping footage smooth even when you're walking, running, or moving through uneven terrain. The stabilization algorithms have been improved for more precise results, reducing microshakes that can ruin handheld footage. The gimbal comes with several intelligent shooting modes. You get the classic pan-follow, tilt-follow, and FPV modes, but also advanced features like 3D roll, tracking shots, and time-lapse capture. These modes allow you to create cinematic movements that would otherwise require complicated rigs. With the RS4 Mini, you can pull them off with just a few taps. DJI has also improved usability with a bright OLED screen on the gimbal itself. You can see settings, battery life, and mode indicators without needing to check the app. The joystick and buttons are placed for quick access, letting you switch between profiles or adjust movement speed on the fly. It's small touches like these that make the RS4 Mini easy to use, even for beginners. Battery life is impressive. You get up to 10 hours of use on a single charge, enough to last through long shooting sessions. Charging is done via USB-C, and it supports fast charging, so you can get back to filming quickly. For professionals on set or travelers on the go, this kind of reliability makes a big difference. The DJI app integration adds another layer. With the app, you can remotely control the gimbal, program advanced moves, or fine-tune balance settings. It also helps with firmware updates, ensuring the gimbal improves over time. This combination of hardware and software is part of what makes DJI so dominant in this space. For creators, the RS4 Mini solves a real problem. Traditional gimbals are heavy and can slow you down. Phone stabilizers are easy but lack the quality that dedicated cameras deliver. The RS4 Mini sits perfectly in between. It's strong enough for pro cameras but small enough to fit in a backpack. It gives you freedom without sacrificing performance. Price-wise, the RS4 Mini is more affordable than DJI's larger gimbals, making it a great entry point into professional stabilization. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but the reliability, build quality, and ecosystem support make it a better long-term investment. You're not just buying a stabilizer, you're buying into a system that works seamlessly with other DJI products. There are a few trade-offs, of course. If you're using very heavy camera and lens setups, this gimbal won't be enough. It's also more limited in advanced features compared to the RS4 Pro. But for its size and price, it delivers an incredible balance of portability and performance. The DJI RS4 Mini is not just a smaller gimbal. It's a professional tool designed for creators who want cinematic stabilization in a lightweight package. Whether you're shooting travel vlogs, weddings, documentaries, or short films, this gimbal makes it possible to get smooth. Their shots with less effort. At the end of the day, it's all about freedom. Freedom to move without worrying about shaky footage. Freedom to travel without carrying heavy gear. Freedom to create without limits. And that's what the DJI RS4 Mini offers. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, where we help you cut through the noise and find the tech that's worth your time. The DJI RS4 Mini shows that stabilization doesn't have to be complicated or heavy, it just has to work. Stay tuned for more reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.